This is Serenity. I know, Mommy. I know she's doing so good, keeping her puppies clean, fed. So we're back from the big wedding. And then this is Cinnamon's. Oh, somebody's sucking on somebody. Oh, stop that. So this is why I put them in boxes. It's because they suck on each other, and it makes me angry. You're going in a box. You're going in a box. I wonder why I put them in boxes. That's why I put them in boxes, because they suck on each other until it gives them diarrhea. See, they're full. I gotta recollar them. I think I'll just put them up until the next feeding. Recollar them then. They're just two weeks old. They're learning to walk, falling over, getting back up.